Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today we are going to perform another experiment, that is your detection of the pulverized soap into a milk. Okay, so here a pulverized soap is what? It is an adulterant, because when this pulverized soap are added into the milk, the quality of the milk decreases. Okay, we all know that adulteration is what? Adding or removing something from a food product, and this removal and the addition cause a degradation into the quality of the product, then it is called a adulteration. And the product that is used to perform the adulteration are known as a adulterant. Okay, so here pulverized soap are added into the milk so that the thickness of the milk are increases, creaminess of the milk are increases, and and it uh, and it does not show the addition of the water. So ultimately the reason behind the addition of this pulverized soap into the milk is that increase the thickness of the milk or increase the creaminess of the milk. Okay, when the milk are appear thick and creamy, then the price of the milk increases, and but the quality of the milk are decreases. So this is the reason behind the addition of the pulverized soap into the milk. So for performing this experiment, we required a milk sample, obviously a hot water. This hot water are we hot it at 100 degrees Celsius and kept it at a room temperature so that it can be bearable. And we required a phenolphthalein indicator, beaker for performing the experiment, and the measuring cylinder. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, we take a sample. With the help of this measuring cylinder, we required a 10 ml of sample, and along with it, we required a 10 ml of hot water. Then we added 2 to 3 drop of this phenolphthalein indicator. If the pink color appear, then it means that there is a presence of the pulverized soap. So let's start our experiment. First of all, what we have to do, we take a 10 ml of milk. See, I'm going to transfer this milk from the measuring cylinder into the beaker. Now after that, we take a 10 ml of hot water. See that if the bubbles are appear, then you have to wait, because it will cause error into your experiment. This is your 10 ml. Now add 10 ml water into the sample. Now add 2 to 3 drop of the phenolphthalein indicator. Okay, now how we prepare this phenolphthalein indicator? We take out 1 gram of phenolphthalein which are present into a powder form, and we dissolve it into a 100 ml of 95% of ethanol. Now I add 2 to 3 drop. There is no changes in the color of the milk, which indicate that the pulverized soap are absent into our sample. Okay, which means that this pulverized soap are absent in our sample. So this is how we perform the detection of the pulverized soap into the milk sample. I hope you will understand, but if you have any query related to this topic, related to this experiment, you can ask me in a comment box, or for a further detail you can follow the ITLS Academy on different platforms, that is Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp and LinkedIn. and visit our website www.itlsacademy.com and follow our account on YouTube. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment in our video.